Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avinash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the charts of Euro USD and GBP USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 1 hour chart of DXY US dollar index in front of us. As a forex trader, it is very important to know the important and critical levels of US dollar index. After all, USD is the most popular currency, traded currency in the whole world. Because of bank holiday yesterday, market was silent. Okay, market was pretty boring and hardly we had any trading opportunity on any US dollar pair. And if you look at the economic calendar today, you can see that we don't have any news. So mostly you can expect that technicals will dominate the market, but still we can see that the volatility of the market is still missing. So in this situation, my dear friends, you need to wait and watch. I can understand it very well that most of you are day traders, but day traders doesn't mean that you need to trade each and every day. After all, we are traders, not gamblers. So my dear friends, we are traders, so we need to wait for the right moment and right time. Okay, so if you look at the chart of DXY, then hopefully we will get to see some volatility during the US session, and overall the levels of DXY are still the same. There is no doubt that DXY is bullish both fundamentally and technically, and the next resistance is around 104.50. Actually 104.50 is the previous high, and because of a low volume, okay, it was unable to break this level. But right now we can expect that once the volume will be there in the market, DXY will break 104.50 and it will head towards the next resistance around 104.80. 104.80 is the next resistance because of previous price rejection around this area. And if there's no volume in the market, if market remains like this, then obviously the breakout will not be possible, because for breakout or breakdown in any market of the world, volume is extremely important. And in case during the day DXY shows retracement, then 103.50 and 103, these are the two levels where we can look for next retracement or next support. Okay, so now let's look at the chart of gold. I'm so obsessed with gold. Euro USD. This is the chart of Euro USD in front of us. And on Saturday, I told you guys that okay, Euro USD is in a very critical position and we should avoid. And you can still see that Euro USD is still standing at the support only. And we can clearly see market forming dojis and spinning tops since yesterday. We need to respect this, because we can clearly see that market is an indecision right now. So if any one of you love to trade on Euro USD, this is not the right time. You need to wait a little longer, because Euro USD is standing at support, but there is no sign of bounce, there is no sign of jump, or there is no sign of breakdown also. It is simply standing at the support right now. So my dear friends, do not place any order on Euro USD right now. You just need to wait and watch. That is the only thing. If you think that I am wrong, if I have missed anything, please write down in the comment section with proper explanation, because otherwise, okay, you'll simply be gambling with your capital and hard-earned money. In case during the day USD shows some upside with low volatility, then you can expect some resistance around 1.0830. okay, if it reverses from 1.0830, because of the dynamic resistance here, we can look for a sell. But otherwise, in this particular portion of the market, I don't see any trading opportunity right now. If Euro USD breaks this level and starts falling, then that's a different chapter. But right now we can clearly see that Euro USD is still standing at the support only without any bounce, and we cannot deny it. Unlike Euro USD, on the chart of GBP USD, we do have some opportunities. Right now market is standing at 1.2619. this is the current market price here. So the support levels on the chart of GBP USD that we discussed in our previous videos are still the same. During the day, if you see GBP USD going down, observe the volatility of the market. As we can clearly see that on economic calendar, we don't have any news. So in absence of news, okay, we can expect that there will not be crazy volatility in the market. with normal volatility, if market starts going down, then we can expect 1.2550 to provide support to the market. Right now I'm in a 4 hours time frame. It's a slow time frame. Okay, so you can simply switch to 15 minutes 1 hour time frame. If you see market taking support around 1.2550, you can look for a buy position. On the other hand, if you see that market is standing at 1.2550 with a big red candle, and do you think you should go for a buy? Obviously, no. Common sense is very, very important in trading. So if market breaks 1.2550 and breaks 1.2550, wait for the market to hit 1.2500, the next support. 1.2500, if it's a round number psychological support, if market bounces from this area, we can look for a buy position. 1.2500 is a better level, stronger level in comparison to 1.2550. We are considering 1.2550 only because of previous price rejection around this area. Overall, if you look at the present trend of GBP USD, there is no doubt that market is sideways, market is choppy. So in this type of sideways market, choppy market, you can go for a buy at support, sell at resistance, because the number of buyers and sellers are almost equal. So if market goes up from here, okay, then the next resistance or the next sellers are present around 1.2650 to 1.2660. This is the next resistance on the chart of GBPUSD, because you can see that the previous support will be acting as resistance, and the 100 moving average will also be around this area only. Right now we can see that market is struggling around the 50 moving average, so the 50 is acting as dynamic resistance. So more or less it gives us the confirmation that yes, the dynamic resistance is working. So the next will be the 100. So around 1.2660, the 100 moving average will be present, and we can expect the a selling position if market reverses, and previous support is also around the same area, so it gives us the additional confirmation. And moreover, if we simply draw Fibo from this particular portion of the chart here, you can see the Fibo 38 is also working, so definitely we can expect Fibo 50 to work as well. So 1.2650, 1.2660, around this area, day traders can look for a quick selling position for 25 to 30 pips. Okay, otherwise 1.2700 is still present on the chart of GBP USD. So let's wait and watch. Volatility of the market will play a dominant role everywhere. And lastly, my dear friends, okay, as you guys already know, the world's most affordable forex trading workshop is back again. It's starting from tomorrow, and thank you so much for such an overwhelming response. Okay, the English classes will start from 11th of September, but the Hindi classes are starting from tomorrow. It's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. Okay, thank you so much for such an overwhelming response. I have received many questions over email and WhatsApp. Okay, so I'll be releasing a video by the US session today, so that all the doubts, all the questions are answered. Okay, anyways, thank you so much. Follow proper risk management. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well, so please do not gamble. Bye bye, take care.